Hello students. Last day we discussed about different kind of input devices. Today we are also going to discuss different kind of input devices. First, let me start with magnetic ink character recognition. The short form of it is MICR. An MICR reader is a device used to read characters printed in a special font using magnetic ink. For example, a bank checks. So for a bank checks, we use magnetic ink character recognition. The next input device is a barcode reader. I believe we all have seen a barcode reader in any shopping mall. It's basically an input device and used to read barcodes. And what is a barcode? A barcode is a small image of lines and spaces that can be seen on the packets of many products. And basically this device scan the barcode. The next one is a QR code. A QR code is a two-dimensional code and it consists of an array of black and white squares. Basically, we seen QR codes in any shop. Like if we want to pay by using Paytm or Phone Pay, generally we are asking the QR code, and by our phone we can scan the QR code and we can pay. Do you know that QR code were first used in automotive industry in Japan in 1994? A Toyota subsidiary named Danso Wave developed the code to help in the manufacturing process. So nowadays QR code is very popular. If we want to make any online payment by Paytm, by Google Pay or Phone Pay, generally we are asking for the respective QR code. The next input device is a optical character recognition, OCR. So first let me tell you what is a hard copy and what is a soft copy. Hard copy means the book that we are reading or the notes that we are reading which is physically exist. It's called a hard copy, like our book is a hard copy. And what is a soft copy? Soft copy means if I am writing a letter in MS Word, it's called a soft copy. And what is the difference between them? If I'm using a soft copy, I can edit it and I can change it. But hard copy, we cannot change. We need to cut and write, isn't it? So, say I have a hard copy, and if I want to convert it to a soft copy for editing purpose, in that case, I need to use a optical character recognition machine. Okay, so an OCR reader is a device that scans or goes through the text character by character, and it analyzes the scanned character, recognizes it, and produces the electronic or digital copy. So by using OCR, we are converting a hard copy into a soft copy. Very simple. The next input device is a optical mark recognition, or OMR. We are using a OMR sheet in case of a competitive exam like JEE exam or any competitive exam. We are using OMR sheet, and an OMR is a device basically used to recognize marks on specially printed forms and sheets. And this technology is used where a large number of hand-filled forms need to be processed quickly. So as I informed you that in case of any competitive exam or joint entrance exam, to check the answer of the students, we are using this machine which is called as optical mark recognition, and the sheet where students need to mark the answer, it's called OMR sheet. Next one is a touch screen. Nowadays we all are aware of touch screen because in our phone, all the phones that we are using mostly, all we are using a touch screen, right? So a touch screen is a touch sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. By using our hand, by using touches, we can put a input in our phones or tab. For example, we are going to a ATM machine, there also touch screens are available. If you are going for a ticket collection counter, like if you are going for our airports, anywhere, nowadays touch screen machines or computer or phones are available that we are using, and we are very familiar with that too. Touchpad. Touchpad is an input device that works by sensing the user's finger movement and applied pressure. Basically, uh, touchpad in laptop you will be able to see a touchpad. In laptop we are using mouse as well, but there is a touchpad. By using that touchpad, it's basically work as a mouse. Okay, and it's usually found on a laptop where it is used in place of a mouse. So basically we can see a touchpad in a laptop, not in a desktop. Digital camera. Digital camera is used to capture image or videos, and we can store them in a digital format. If we click a photo or click a video on a digital camera, we can we can store the particular image or video in a digital format. We can store it in our laptop or computer. Later on we can print that too. Web camera. Web camera is a digital camera that is usually connected to a computer through a USB interface. Web cameras come with software that allows the user to record video or send the video on the web. Okay. Nowadays, laptop has inbuilt camera, web camera. But in case we are using any desktop does not have any inbuilt web camera. In that, we need to purchase a web camera. Okay, and web camera, and we need to plug the port of the web camera in a USB port. That's why like it's a USB interface. So by using web camera, what we can do, we can we can do a video conference, we can take a video, or we can record a video and send the video on the web. Biometric device. Biometric device is also an input device. Biometric device are the devices which are capable of identifying a person's identity on the basis of their distinctive physical characteristics. Biometric device can scan person's fingerprint, face, iris, voice, hand, and so on. In our school, you must have seen the biometric device. We are putting our fingers to put the biometric. Thank you all.